ating kabuhayan. Yun po, kung paano po tayo kikita at pag-business. Salamat po.
Ayan, thank you so much. Next po na.
Our bank is microfinance-oriented rural bank established on September 1, 1997 in San Pablo City, Laguna. To able, it has 54 branches.
Affected mo ba?
We should put that number, women empowerment, partner with other agencies. So,
History mo nga.
ultimate school is poverty eradication, scholarship, and livelihood. Ang supporters ko niya si Atin Marit Kuya.